Mike is going to help me pick out some colors for my very first acrylic pour. So I need to open up my package of, what is the brand? All-Purpose Acrylic Paint. I bought it from AC Moore. So I think I'm going to use about maybe 4 colors with a base of white, but white I'll probably use. So which colors? Let's open it. And it's all-purpose acrylic paint, Palmer paints. All right, I just thought I would buy this. It's inexpensive. All right, Mike, which colors would you like in my acrylic pour? This one?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see, hold on. So this blue, which is a, let's see if it has a name. Sky blue, very pretty. Okay, next one. Which one? This one? This one or this one? This one. This one is burgundy. Very nice. Next one. This one. Well, orange and blue are complementary. Next to each other, they appear brighter. We'll have a little lesson on complementary, but sometimes I think just looking at the colors and pick, you know what looks nice. This is called Bonfire Orange. And one more. The green. Okay, so this green is, let me put the scissors down, lime green. So here's the 4 colors. We have lime green, bonfire orange, burgundy, and blue. And actually, I think these will really be pretty together because we have a light one, a dark one, a bright one, and then this is kind of bright, but I think this is going to make these pop, and then this will, I love blue and green together. So I think these will be really pretty. I mean, we could add one more maybe. I'm not sure. I would pick, believe it or not, probably this, I don't know, maybe this one or that one. Or even this one. You know, I like yellow. So let's get that one out. So this one is a almond. I don't know, it's like a beigey, really like a pastel yellow. Very nice. So we have all these, and I'm going to mix these up later, and then I'll make my first acrylic pour video. Very nice. And then we have all these to choose from another day. Fantastic. I hope my first video was really nice. You know, I've been watching acrylic pouring for a long time, but I've never actually done it. So when I film my first video, it'll be your colors. So thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.